السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. رب زدني علما. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. I welcome you all to the class of دروس اللغة العربية لغير ناطقين بها. And today inshallah ta'ala we have the last lesson of this second half of book 2 inshallah, and this is all about duals, and we are learning about duals, right? And with duals we are learning that how it becomes mansoob as well as how it becomes majroor, right? This is what we are learning, right? So we should always remember that there are various types of reflections. Okay, there are various types of reflections for marfu, mansoob, and majroor. And we learned the normal one, like for example, Muhammadun. We learned this is the normal one. Right? Muhammadun, this is the normal one. It becomes Muhammadan, Muhammadan, and Muhammadin. And Muhammadin, normal. With this is called i'rab bil haraka. Right, with haraka. You see haraka here. Dhamma fatha kasra. Muhammadin, this is Muhammadin. Now, there are i'rab bil not haraka, bil huruf, right? I'rab bil huruf, like we have, and there's so many of them, like there are 8 or 9 of them. I mean, not 8 or 9, 4 or 5 of them, which are with letters. And we learned one, which is una and ina, like muslimuna is marfu. Muslimuna is marfu. But how do we make it mansoob and majroor? We make it muslimina, muslimina. Right? Both are same. Muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Right? This is how we make it marfu, mansoob, and majroor. This is with hara. Una becomes ina, ina. Now he's now teaching ani, aini, aini, right? Like kitabani, this is marfu. And what is the sign of kitabani? What is the sign of being marfu? Is the alif for duals. Is the alif for duals, right? Kitabani becomes kitabaini. Baini, like fi kitabaini, in these 2 books, and inna kitabaini. Mansoob also it becomes aini. So ani becomes aini, aini. Right? Kitabaini. Rajulaini, inna rajulaini. Indeed, these 2 men. Indeed, the men. Inna rajulaini. So ani becomes aini, aini. Reflection. So how is it reflecting? It's reflecting by an alif or a ya. So here alamatu raf'ihi alif, alif. لأنه musanna, because it is musanna, dual. Here alamatu jarrihi aw nasbihi ya, right? Ya ma qabla fatha. I mean, you can say ya which has a fatha before it. لأنه musanna, because it is dual. Right? Here it is, you can say alamatu raf'ihi waw لأنه جمع مذكر سالم. وعلامة جره ونصبه يا لأنه هما جمع مذكر سالم. Right? Alamatu. Here we can say alamatu rafihi fathatun zahira, I mean dhammatun zahira. It is apparent dhamma. Then this is what, then we learned muslimatun. Right? Muslimatun. This is jama muannas salim, sound feminine plural. Here it becomes majroor and mansoob with atin, atin. Atun, atin, atin. Muslimatin and muslima. It will never become muslimatan. Right? Muslimatin. Both are same. So fi also comes, it becomes kasra. Inna also comes, it becomes kasra. No, but it is mansoob. It both are same. This is for jama muannas salim. Then we have something called what else we have? Diptotes, غير munsarif, like Ibrahim. So it is Ibrahimu. It is marfu with a dhamma, but majroor and mansoob, it is Ibrahima and Ibrahima. never takes a kasra, right? This is also another reflection for, I forgot the has. Oh, sorry. It should be Ibrahima. Foreign name, right? So it will not take a kasra. So it will become majroor with a fatha. Right? This is a sign of reflection again. Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Mansub also same, majroor also same. Here also muslimatin, muslimatin. Right? Both are same. Both are same for majroor and mansub. Then we have something called manqus, like al-qadi. This is actually al-qadiyu. This is dammatun zahira, right? And dammatun muqaddara, an estimated dhamma. We say it is alamatu rafihi dammatun. It will come in book 3 lesson 1. Okay, al-qadiyu it was actually, but we leave it like al-qadi, right? And majru also is the same, al-qadi, but for mansub it will come back al-qadiya, fatatun zahira for manqus, right? And then there's another estimated, which is ya mutakallim, like kitabi. Marfu also kitabi, majrur also kitabi, mansub also kitabi. Okay, like kitabi remains kitabi, but this is actually kitabui, kitabi, kitabai. But because ya mutakallim came, it forces everything to have kasra. So we say it is estimated dhamma. All right, estimated dhamma. Or some names like alif maksura names like Mustashfa or Musa. Mansub also same, Musa. Marfu also same. It is not mabni. It looks like mabni, but it is not fixed. Musa, Musa, Musa. It's always Musa, but we say dammatun muqaddara, estimated dhamma, assuming Musa yu, Musa ya, Musa yi. How can kitabi be mansub and majrur? It is mansub and majrur by imagining. Yeah, fi kitabi, majrur, right? Hada fi kitab. This is in my book. Fi came, so kitabi will get a kasra, right? But we can't see the kasra actually because it's confusing, because kitabui, like hada kitabui, it also became kitabi. You don't see the dhamma at all in kitabui, do you? It became kitabi. Even in fi kitabi, it's kitabi. Even inna kitabi, we don't see the fatha. Naam inna kitabai, it should have been, right? Inna kitabai. Naam. But we don't see it all. It's always kitabi, kitabi, kitabi. So they didn't call it mabni because it looks like mabni. Oh, it is fixed. No, it's not fixed. It's actually ya mutakallim came. So it forced the dhamma before that, right? We learn all this in book 3 anyways, yeah. Musa is also similarly. It's not mabni as such. It's not fixed. It was actually Musayu, but because it was so difficult to pronounce Musayu, Musaya, Musayi, they left it Musa, 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 just for difficulty. And these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Manqus, Maksura, Ya Mutakallim, Ghair Munsarif, Jama Muzakkar Salim, Jama Muannas Salim, Muthanna, and the normal one, Muhammadun, Muhammadan. There's one more, I guess, of signs of reflection. I don't remember. Like nouns, in nouns I'm talking about. And there's one more. No, we've done Ghair Munsarif, Jama Muzakkar Salim, Jama Muannas Salim. I think these are enough. Yeah, all this. Okay, this is what the basically. Yeah, I think there's one more. But anyways, the last one is mabni. Hada, right? Mabniyat are so many. The haulai, haza, hazihi, man, right? Some of the man and mata, all these do not change at all. Fixed. Right? They experience marfu, mansub, and majrur, but they do not show it to others. I mean, they're like fixed. They are poor people. They don't have clothes. Right? This is all the, all the ways a noun can express its cases, its i'rab. All the cases, right? All of them. One, it could be mabni, right? Basically two things. It could be mu'arab and it could be mabni, right? Mu'arab and mabni. What is mu'arab? Which shows itself, right? And mabni is, it doesn't show. That is the basic first difference. Then in mu'arab, it can show, but it can show through various ways, right? It shows its anger, but various ways of anger, right? One, why fatha dhamma kasra, normal. One, why with aluf, with waw and a ya, una, ina. right? And with an alif for musanna, then with atun, atin, atin, right? With a kasra, then ghair munsarif, Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima, with a fatha for majrur also. Then qadi, this is estimated. These are all estimated. Qadi, kitabi, Musa. These three are confusing for many of us, right? Even I didn't understand. I mean, when I learned in book 3, later on I understood, right? These are like estimation. You just assume them. It's like mabni, but not so much. Okay, we don't. Scholars they didn't want to call them mabni because when it became mansub, si fatha came. Okay, and something to be mabni, there should be some reason for it to be mabni, right? Why is it fixed? Okay, so that is why there should be a reason, like it's similar to a verb or something. Some reason should be there, and these are like normal nouns. It takes alif lam and so on, right? And mabniya so many, haza is there, the demonstrative pronouns, the attached pronouns, the detached pronouns, the relative pronouns, except dual. Allazani, allazi, allati, those are fixed, but except allazani. Allazani becomes allazaini for duals. Those are all right. Then what are fixed? Haythu, some zarf are also fixed. Haythu, haisu, and some of the adverbs are also fixed, and so on. There's a huge list of mabniness. That's it. Yeah, these are all these things. When it comes to verbs, the fail madi and fail amr are all mabni. They don't change at all. Right? Fala, it remains same. Even if qad comes, whatever comes before it doesn't change. Mudare has three kinds of moods. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzoom. Right? We learn in 21st lesson majzoom, sukun, majzoom. We learned marfu, yafalu, yafalani, yafaluna. We learned mansub also. And in mudare, there are three types again, right? To show the expressions, right? The three types how they show the expressions. One with haraka again. Yafalu, tafalu, 5 in your pocket. Yafalu, tafalu, tafalu, afalu, nafalu. They become yafala, yafala, tafala, afala, nafala. Then yafal, tafal, tafal, afal, nafal, right? With sukun and dhamma. Then noon comes and noon goes. Yafalu, yafala, tafala, all those. And then mabni sisters, yafalna, tafalna. But ways of expression. They cover our nouns, our verbs. What is left? Huruf. All the hurufs are mabni. They don't change at all. The prepositions, bao, tao, kafo, lamo, and what inna, they don't have any cases at all. They are not part of a sentence at all. They are like supplements to the language, right? They fill in the gaps. Khalas, this is what mabni and mu'arab story is. All of it, yeah. But it will come all the things here, right? And then there's passive also. Passive is in book 3. This is what we are learning. All the signs of reflections, then passive forms, then there's shart, conditions, and then he will teach all the 10 forms, mazid fihi. Those are all sarf, morphology, verb morphology of Arabic. Then that is all book 3 about, yeah. All the 10 forms, most, Nahu is less. Nahu is also there, but not much in those 10 lessons. And then we have various other rules and stuff in book 3, right? But it is difficult because these like look so much. There's like huge summary and so on of all this stuff, yeah. So why I did told this all this? We already spoke about this earlier also, I guess, right? All the signs of reflections. Inshallah, when we come into book 3, this will be very helpful because we already spoke once or twice about it. It will not be new for us, inshallah. Okay. So let's begin lesson now. Okay, so ani becomes aini. This is what we are learning. Very easy lesson, nothing much here. Inshallah, duals here. Al-Abu, the father says, Kam suratan hafidta ya Bashir? How many surahs have you memorized, O Bashir? Kam suratan hafidta. Kam, tamiz came, right? How many surahs? We'll translate it plural. We'll translate it plural and become Kam suratan hafidta. Hafidha yahfadu ya Bashiru. Ya came, tanween drop. Hafiztu suratan wahidatan. I memorized one surah. I memorized one surah, right? Just one surah. I memorized one surah. Hafiztu suratan wahidatan. And we learned that number 1 and 2, what happens to them is they become man'ut nats. Right? Number 1 and 2, if you remember in book 1, numbers 1 and 2. So that's why suratan wahidatan. Wa kam suratan hafizta ya Umaru. And how many surahs have you memorized, O Umar? Right? Umar. Hafizta suratan. Ana hafiztu surataini. I memorized 2 surahs. So actually it was suratani, it becomes surataini. Okay, suratani became surataini. Ani becomes aini. I memorized 2 surahs. Okay. Why is it mansoob? Because it is an object. Hafiztu surataini, it is the object. I memorized 2 surahs. Aini. Muawiyah says, Ya abati, oh my dear father. Ya abati is for endearment. This ta is for endearment, yeah, to show dearness, fondness. Ya abati, جاء اليوم مدرسان جديدان. جاء اليوم. جاء. We learned another rule, right? If the verb comes before the file, then it has to be singular, whatever even if the file is plural. So here it is dual, but still you're using singular because 2 files cannot come. So right. So jaa al-yawma is zalf. Yeah, today came. File is coming late. Mudarrisani, 2 new teachers came. Jadidani. This is the nat for mudarrisani. Right? 2 new teachers came today. Ahaduhuma, right? Ahaduhuma, one of them. Ahadu is one. One of them. Lil fiqhi, for fiqh. Wal akhar, we learned akhar, right? And another for hadithi. Lil hadith, for hadith. So 2 new teachers came, one for fiqh and one for hadith. Fiqh is fiqh, right? Rulings and stuff. Bashir says, Ya abati, oh my dear father. So Muawiyah too, right? No tanween because it is a masculine name with a ta. Bashirun, Ya abati, qara'atul yawma, I read today, kalimataini jadidataini fi hadha al-kitab. I read today, kalimatain. Kalima is one word. Kalimatani became kalimataini. Right? I read jadidataini. This is the nat for kalimataini. So I read 2 new words fi hadha al-kitab, in this book. Right? So he says that I learned 2 books and I don't know what they are. So the father says, Ma huma, what are those 2? See, huma. Right? Not hua, not hiya, not hunna, huma. What are those 2 words? Huma al-mushtu. They are al-musht. Al-musht is comb. Al-mushtu wal-mikhaddatu. Mikhadda is pillow. Right? Mikhaddatu. They are al-mushtu al-mikhaddatu. Al-Abu says, A'arafta ma'nahuma. Do you know their both meanings? A'arafta. Arafa ya'arifu. Arafta. And do you know their meanings? A'arafta ma'nahuma. Arafa ya'arifu, right? Ma'nahuma, right? They're both meanings. نعم. سألت المدرس فشرح لي معناهما. Yes, I asked the teacher and he explained for me their both meanings. شرح يشرح باب فتح. نعم سألت المدرس. I asked the teacher فشرح لي. So he explain. شرح is to explain. شرح, commented or explain. معناهما, for me their both meanings. The father says, أنا الآن أذهب إلى السوق. I am now going to the market. أتريدون شيئا. Do you want anything? Do you want anything? أتريدون شيئا. اشرح. Explain. اشرح لي يا شيخ. Explain to me. اشرح. شرح يشرح. We take off the ya, bring a hamzatul wasl, right? And it gets a kasra because ra has a fatha. Ishrah, if'al. Iftah, like iftah. Fataha yaftahu, iftah. Open. Ishrah. Ishrah lana. Explain to us, oh Shaykh. Naam. أنا الآن أذهب إلى السوق. I am now going to the market. أتريدون شيئا. Do you want anything? أريد دفترا. Umar says أريد دفترا. I want a notebook. Muawiyah says عندي دفتران. I have 2 notebooks. وأريد دفترين آخرين. So آخرو, the dual is آخراني, but when you make it mansub it becomes أيني. آخرين, because object, right? I want 2 notebooks. أريد دفترين آخرين. عندي ملفان. Bashir says, I have 2 milaf is file. I have 2 files. Indi milafani saghirani. I have 2 small files. Wa uridu milaffaini kabiraini. And I want 2 big files. So he's just bringing sentences to show us the duals. Okay, he's just bringing sentences to show us the duals. Ani becomes aini and so on. So I have two small ones. This is marfu because there's nothing to make it mansub or majrur. But the rest, aini aini uridu's object, maf'ulun bihi. Al-Abu says, min ayna laka hadha al-qalam al-jamil dhul lawnayn ya Bashir? Min ayna laka? From where is it for you, this pen? I mean, where did you get this pen? Al-qalam al-jamil, the beautiful pen, dhul lawnayn, which has two colors. Lawn is colors, lawnani, two colors, and zu comes, so it becomes majroor, right? Zul lawnayn. So previously, if you remember, screen has not changed. Huh? How it will come little late, I guess. Data issues. Do anyone else sees? I mean, they see the screen. Yeah? This one, this what I'm reading. I think I've shared it correctly. Yeah. And yes, inshallah it will come. Yeah. Yeah, inshallah. Sometimes it will get stuck in the same slide. Okay. Min ayna laka hadha al-qalam. So previously, if you remember, we used to, now also we get, I guess, a pen which has two colors, yeah, green, red, 3, 4 colors, whatever. So this says, where did you get this two color pen? Where you switch between two colors, yeah? Jamizul lawnayn ya Bashir. Two colors, double colored pen. Where do you get? Two colors, like green, blue, whatever. Ishtaraytuhu. Ishtaraytu is I purchased it. Ishtaraytuhu. I purchased the pen. The father, ishtaraytu, right? I purchased it. Who? The pen. Become ishtaraytaha tahu. Become is how much? With like with how much money? Ishtaraytahu. Ta ishtarayta, you purchased. Right? Ishtarayta, you purchased. Become ishtaraytahu. With how much did you purchase? With how much money? Ishtaraytuhu bi riyalaini. I purchased it with 2 riyals. Bi riyalaini. 1 riyalun, riyalani. Then ba came majroor with aini. So mansub and majroor is the same. It's the same. Bi riyalaini. Ishtaraytuhu bi riyalaini. I purchased with 2 riyals. That's it. Simple lesson here, inshallah. Tamadin exercise. Ajib anil as'ilatil ati. Answer the following questions. Kam suratan hafidha Bashirun. How many surahs did Bashir memorize? Suratan hafidha Bashirun suratan wahidatan. 1 surah. Naam. Kam suratan hafidha Umaru. How many surahs hafidha Umaru? Surataini. Surataini. Become ishtara Bashirun al-qalama. With how much? I mean, for how much we can say? For how much did Bashir purchase the pen? For 2 riyals. Yeah, 2 riyals. Bi riyalaini. Ishtara Bashirun al-qalama bi riyalain. And you find in if you go to Makkah or Medina or Saudi, they have these shops, yeah, riyalain. Nowadays, it has become 10 riyals, yeah. Kullu shayin bi ashri riyalin. So they keep shouting, 2 riyal shops are still there, yeah, I think. Still there. Riyalain. Right? It's actually kullu shayin bi riyalaini. Right? They keep shouting, 2 riyals. Nowadays they talk in Hindi also. Everyone knows Hindi, right? 2 riyal, le lo, baji, le lo. Right? They like, right? Everybody. So riyalain, it was actually kullu shayin bi riyalain. It was actually riyalani. But nowadays they don't know. Duals are all aini itself. So like kitabain, riyalain. Why is it so? Because most of the time it's an object. So that's why, because I want 2 books, I want 2 pens. So that is why duals are always aini for in the spoken Arabic. They don't know that there's kitabani became kitabaini. They just know kitabain. Because we don't use it as a subject mostly, right? Kitabani ala al-maktabi. We don't use that. So I want this book, I want 2 books, I want 3 books. So it became famous as riyalain. No? Ta'ammal ma yali. Read and write. al-madfu', al-mansub, al-majrur. Like the normal ones here, the normal ones, mu'arab with harakat. جاء المدرس, the teacher came. علامة رفعه ضمة ظاهرة. The sign of being marfu is ضمة ظاهرة. رأيت المدرس, I saw the teacher. جاء المدرس, the teacher came. رأيت المدرس, this is mansub مفعول به object with a fatha. ذهبت إلى المدرس, I went to the teacher with a kasra. Right? I went to the teacher with a kasra. جاء المدرس, رأيت المدرس, ذهبت إلى المدرس. This is normal, yeah, very nice. But for duals, it's جاء المدرسان. علامة رفعه ألف. ألف مثنى, it's also called ألف مثنى. رأيت المدرسين. Ani becomes أين. I saw two teachers. ذهبت إلى المدرسين. This becomes majrur with a ya. So it's the same for mansub and majrur. We look at the context, yeah. It's very easy to identify between the mansub and majrur because you see if it's the object of a verb or something like that. Okay. Okay. We have the answers. Musanna. Answer the following questions using musanna. So we have to say 2, 2, 2. So let's do this. Yeah. Then you have this also musanna. Then 3 musanna, right? And 4 musanna. All exercises musanna, musanna, musanna. Small chapter. Right? All duals. He's giving us a good practice because this is where he introduces for the first time, right? I mean, it came in book 1 in one lesson and another lesson for book 2 here, musanna. Before we go to majzum and then weak verbs in the next book, right? Before we go to that, he's giving us the duals now itself. Okay, so please help me. Come akhan laka. How many brothers do you have? I have to say I have 2 brothers. Brothers, the problem is you have to add a wow. Yeah, akhawani. Yes, akhani it doesn't become because the wow comes back. But akhun and abun it happens, yeah. Abawani also. Abawani doesn't mean 2 fathers, by the way. Abawani means parents. Li akhawani. Alas. Akhani doesn't happen, yeah. Akhawani. I have 2 brothers. Kam kitaban indaka. How many books do you have? Hindi, I have kitabani. Alas. He's all giving marfu types now. First exercise. Kam taliban jadidan ja al yawm. How many new students came today? Very easy, all anis. Ja al yawm talibani. Yeah. Ja al yawm. I'll not write all this. Talibani jadidani. Talibani jadidani. 2 new students came. That should match, no? Dual adjectives. Manot is also dual. Kam darsan baqiya fil kitab. How many lessons left in the book? Baqiya darsani. Alas. 2 lessons left. Kam taliban kharaja min al fasli. How many students left from the class? Kharaja talibani. The name Taliban, Taliban also became famous because of there were like 2 students who revolted or something. Some story is there, right? And they used to call Taliban who revolted against the Russian occupation. Which was the occupation? Yeah, the Russian occupation. And then they formed the Taliban. It's actually 2 students. The Taliban name, which is famous, right? Afghanistan, the group called Taliban. It's Taliban, 2 students. No other answers. In the sense, like what? If you use a verb like Kam Taliban kharaja min al-fasli, kharaja Talibani. Alas, 2 students. You're using a verb, right? Kharaja. The verb is singular because 2 files cannot. I cannot say kharaja Talibani. No. Alif can also not, because fa'ala, fa'alu, right? The dual is with an alif in the past tense verb. Yafalu, yafalani. It is ani in mudare. It is ani in the nouns also, because mudare is similar to nouns. Like the nouns have marfu, mansub, and majrur. The mudare also has modes: marfu, mansub, and majzum. Not majrur, but it has nouns. It has modes. Kam rajulan mata fil hadith. How many people died in the accident? Mata. This is all files. That's why it is mansub. File. So mata rajulani. Right? Two men died in the hadith, in the accident. Mata rajulani. Two men died. Now, it looks like rijlani, but it is actually rajulani. Rijlani is also same, right? Two legs. Rijlun is two legs, yeah? Rijlani. It's rajulani. Both are written same. Next, similar exercise, but this is making it mansub. So ani will become aini. Like for example, kam lughatan ta'arifu. How many languages do you know? So I should say I know 2 languages. So how do I say I know 2 languages? Arifu lughataini. Yes. Arifu. Arifu lughataini. Right? Kam suratan hafizti ya Maryamu. How many surahs did you memorize, oh Maryam? Hafiztu. I memorized surah Taini. All are like that, yeah. Feminine also, surah Taini. Naam. Kam risalatan katabta ya Ahmad. How many letters did you write, oh Ahmad? I wrote 2 letters. So I wrote will be katabta, will become katabtu. Katabtu risalataini. Kam hayyatan qatalta ya ammi. How many snakes did you kill, oh my uncle? So I killed 2 snakes. Hayyatan is snake, huh? Hayyatun. I killed 2 snakes. Double. Qataltu hayyatayni. The round ta will open up, right? So you see, the round ta will opening up while writing. Kam daftara ishtarayta ya akhi? How many? Yeah. The snake, yeah, hayyatun. It comes in the Quran also. Hayyatun tas'a. Musa alayhi salam through the paida hawa. Hiya hayyatun tas'a. It became a huge snake. Hayya. He threw a stick, right? The mawjza. Kam daftaran, the staff, yeah. Kam daftaran ishtarayta ya akhi. How many notebooks did you purchase? Ishtaraytu daftaraini. Objects all are maf'ul bi. Kam su'alan sa'alaka al-mudarrisu. How many questions did the teacher ask you? This is confusing. Right? Teacher ask you. This is always the object, huh? Not you ask the teacher. No. The teacher asked you. Su'alaini. Sa'ala, he asked. Su'alaini. Su'alaini. It is su'al, okay? It's not su'al. In Urdu, it becomes su'al, but it is su'al. Sa'ala yasalu su'al. Kam ta'iratan ra'ita fil matar. How many planes did you see in the airport? Ra'aytu. I saw 2 planes. Ta'irataini. Okay. Ra'aytu ta'irataini. Last 3. Kam mindilan ghasalat ukhtuka. How many handkerchiefs did your sister wash? Right. So how many should she wash? 2 handkerchiefs, right? Ghasalat mindilaini. She washed 2 handkerchiefs. Kam mushtan turidu. How many combs do you need? Comb. Uridu mushtaini. I need 2 combs. Right? I need 2 combs. Kam mikhaddatan ala sariri. How many pillows are there on your bed? Uridu mushtaini. And this is how many pillows are on your bed? Ala sariri, on my bed. مخضتين. Tani, yeah. That's what I was wondering. Yes, there's nothing to make it Majrur or Mansub. Yes, correct. Jazakallah khair. Right? Even I was thinking, Tani should count. Marfu. Why? Because it's simple, right? He gave a trick question. Ala sariri, on my bed. How many bed pillars? Tani. Even I got confused. Tani. Why? Because no verb at all. Naam, Jazakallah, Barakallah. Okay, next exercise. أجيب الأسئلة الآتية مستعملا المثنى. Same thing here, but here it has become, this is majrur. Become ريالا اشتريت المجلة. Very easy with حرف جر he's teaching majrur. This is also same. Yeah, بريالين. How many riyals did you purchase the magazine for? Oh Amina, ya Aminatu. اشتريت بريالين. بريالين. all are عيني again. become دولانا اشتريتم هذه الأزرار يا إخوان. زر is button. أزرار is buttons. زر أزرار. أزرار button, short buttons or whatever. How many with how many dollars did you purchase? اشتريتم. You all purchased these buttons. Oh yeah, ikhwan. Oh brothers, right? اشترينا. We purchased بدولارين, with $2. بكم روبية اشتريتن هذا المشتى يا أخواتي? With how many rupees did you all purchase? Yeah, feminine. That's why اشتريتن. اشتريتن. هذا المشتى. This comb. Oh my sisters. أخواتي. اشترينا. We purchased with بروبيتين. 2 rupees. 2 rupees comb. Okay. بكم جنيها اشتريتي هذه المرآة يا أمي؟ اشتريتي هذه المرآة. With how many pounds? جنيح is pounds. $1 is dollars. جنيح is pounds. جنيها pounds. With how many pounds did you purchase this mirror? Oh my mother. This mirror, yeah. مرآة. So بجناحين. اشتريت هذه المرآة بجناحين. اشتريت بجناحين. pounds. بكم لغة كتبت العنوان على الظرف يا علي? I'm not writing because I think it's easier. بكم لغة كتبت العنوان على الظرف يا علي? With how many languages did you write the address on the envelope? Zarf is envelope. Oh Ali. كتبت بلغتين. I wrote with 2 languages. 2 languages so that people should not get confused. Okay. من كم بابا من كم بابا خرج الطلاب من الكلية. From how many doors do the students leave from the college? Did the students leave from the college? خرج من بابين. خرج الطلاب من بابين. 2 doors. Yeah, بابين. إلى كم صيدلية ذهبت يا حامد? To how many pharmacies, صيدلية pharmacies, did you go, Hamid? ذهبت إلى صيدليتين. I went to 2 pharmacies. صيدليتين. I went to 2 pharmacies. نعم. في كم صحيفة قرأت هذا الخبر? In how many newspapers did you study this news? قرأت هذا الخبر. I read this news. read this news في صحيفتين. صحيفتين. In 2 newspapers. In 2 صحيفتين. So yeah, dual. Become جامعة درست. In how many universities did you study? درست بجامعتين. Because with schools generally we have fee fil madrasa. With universities we have a B. Just the way it is. B. درست بالجامعة الإسلامية. بالجامعة. با. We'll not say fi. Okay, just a cultural thing. Become. Yeah, method dasta. Meaning is the same in darastu bi jamiataini. I studied in 2 universities. Then we have last one. Kam jamiatan fi baladikum. How many universities in your country? Fi baladina. Yeah, in our country, Jamia Tani. Here it is Tania. Because there's nothing. Yeah? In our country, there are 2 universities. In our countries, there are 2 universities. Okay, all dual. And he's teaching us a rule that we can say become riyalan, right? We can make it mansub, singular mansub because of come here, or we can make it majrur because of be here. Become riyalin. Kilahuma sahihun. Both are correct. Kilahuma sahih. Become riyalan is also correct. Become riyalin is also correct. Right? Here it is mansub because of come. Here it is majrur because of be. Okay. What is kila? Boats. He didn't teach it. Kila. Kila is boats. Kilahuma, both of them. Kila and kilta. I think he'll teach it in the future. In book 3, I think it will come. Kila or kilta is boats. Kila. Yeah, I'm telling it now because it didn't come before. Yeah. Kilahuma. Both of them. It's used for stress generally, like kulluhum ajma'in. Instead of kullu, we have kila, both of them. Does it come in the Quran? Kilahuma. Kilta al jannatan. It comes here, kilta. Both the 2 gardens. Kila, both. If I just search both, maybe it will come. Yeah, it's there, no? Oh no. Kila, we have to search. Both is like you both, minhuma, bihima. I should search kila. Maybe it will not come with just kila. Kila. Kullan is searching. I want kila. Kalla is also the same. Oh. Kila huma maybe. Kila huma. Not there. Kila huma is not there. Kilta is there, I think. Kilta. Yeah. Just once, Kilta al-jannatayni atat ukulaha walam tadlim minhu shay'a. Surah Kahf. Any other things also. With duals only, Kila kuma, both of you. Kila kuma. Kila huma. That's it. There are only 2 duals, right? Huma kuma. Right? Each of the 2 gardens produced its fruit and did not fall short thereof. Kiltal jannah. Kilta. Kilta is yours. Kilta huma. Instead of a pronoun, jannataini came. So it's like we have to have a mudaf ilayhi. Huma is a mudaf ilayhi. So if I use kila, both of the books, so I have to say kila kitabaini, kind of. Both of the books. It's like stressing because kitabani itself shows as both 2 books, right? But I want to say kila kitabaini, both of the books sahlani are easy, kind of. Yeah, you could say. Okay, he'll bring it in book 3, I guess. Kila kilta. Now, Sannil kalimat al matbu'a bil ahmar. The red color wants to dual. So he's giving a mixed exercise now. It will be marfu sometimes, mansub sometimes. Yeah. So please help me with this also. Fi baitina sallajatun. In our house, there's 1 fridge. So you have to say 2 fridges. This is a good exercise. Yeah. Where it's marfu, we have to put in marfu. Where it's mansub, mansub or majrur. So what will come here? I have to say fi baitina. Two fridges. Sallajata, huh? Why tiny? No. It's marfu, right? Tun is there. Tani, naam. Fi baitina sallaja tani. In our house, there are 2 fridges, refrigerators. Very easy trick for this is, if you see a dhamma, put ani. If you see anything else, put aini. Khalas. Dakhala baiti al-barihata lissun. Dakhala baiti. In my house, yesterday entered, last night. Bariha is last night, listen. So listen is the file, so I have to say, a thief entered my house last night. Listen is thief. Lusus is a plural, thieves. So I have to say, Dakhala bayt al-barihata, 2 thieves. Lisani. No ta. Masculine, no? Lisani. The kitabani. Male thieves, they were not female thieves. Now, Raitu fi maktabil baridi. I saw in the post office, Barqiyatan laka. I saw a telegram for you. So I saw 2 telegrams for you. Barqiyataini, correct. Barqiyataini. 2 telegrams. Sashtari mitran min hadha al-qumash. I will purchase 1 meter from this cloth. Qumash is cloth itself, right? Yeah. I keep get confused. Qumash. Mitraini. Nota. Mitratan, it's not, it's mitran, right? Mitro. Sashtari mitraini min hadha al-qumash, from this cloth. Dhaba abi dajajat. My father slaughtered. Dhabaha yasbahu is to slaughter. My father slaughtered 1 chicken. So I have to say 2 chickens. 2 hens. Dajaja. Dajajataini. Naam. Object of zabaha. Followed bihi. Ashrabu kuban min al-labani kulla yawm. I drink a cup of milk every day. So I have to say 2 cups. I drink 2 cups. Ashrabu kubaini. Very easy. Indi riyalun. I have 1 riyal. So I have to say I have 2 riyals. Indi riyalani. Yes, this is what is important here. Indi riyalani, not riyalaini, because it's marfu, right? Uridu riyalan. I want a riyal. I want a riyal. Uridu 2 riyals. Riyalaini. Naam. Ishtaraytu haza zirra bi riyalin. I purchased this button with 1 riyal. So I have to say I purchased this button with 2 riyals. Laini again. Yes. Bi riyal laini. Bi riyal. I purchased this button with 2 riyals. Arifu lughatan. I know 1 language. I have to say I know 2 languages. Arifu lughataini. Naam. Fi baladina lughatun wahidatun. In our country, there's 1 language. In our country, there are 2 languages. Lughatani. Isnatani also you can bring, but no, there's no need for isnatani, right? Because ani gives you an idea that it's 2. Fi baladina lughatani. Khalas. Lughatani, isnatani is also fine. Just for stressing, maybe. Hadha al-qalamu bidularin. This pen is with $1. I have to say $2. Bidularaini. Naam. Katabtu risalatan ila abi. I wrote a letter to my father. So katabtu رسالتين. نعم. I wrote 2 letters to my father. يكفيني الآن جنيح. Right? This is a verb. Kafa yakfi. This is naqis. We'll learn it in the future. Like masha yamshi. It's to be enough. So yakfini. Enough is for me. Yakfini al-ana. It is enough for me $1, £1. Kafa yakfi. This is. It's bringing little by little all these weak verbs. Inshallah, we'll start again. Right? All the weak verbs we'll explain again. Inshallah. مثال أجواب ناقص مضاعف لفيف مقرون لفيف مقروق, all these ones 5 or 6. So this should be what? يكفيني الآن, it is enough for me now, $2. कफा यकफी, काफी है मेरे लिए, यकफीनी. Last answer. Dularani, yeah, it's pound, so it is Junaihani. Now, use the following words in sentences. Kitabani. Hadani kitabani ala al-maktabi. These 2 books are on the table. Something like kitabaini, uridu kitabaini, talibaini. Mansoob you have to use, or majroor. These 2, you cannot say these 2 students, you have to use it. No, I cannot. I purchased 2 students. How can we say, make it an odd? Darabtu talibaini. Yes. I hit 2 students. I hit 2 students, yeah. Darban jadidan shadidan. Right? Yeah, inshallah. Yeah, you can do that, inshallah. Talibani also, we can, inshallah. Talibani, Hadani, Talibani, Jadidani. These 2 students are new, something like that. Now he's teaching us Ahaduma and Akhar. Naam, yes, inshallah. Ahaduma wal Akharu. Ahaduma is one of them and Akharu is another. He's teaching us, like, they use together sometimes. Ahaduma, one of them is this and the other is this, kind of, yeah. Like, for example, li akhawani, I have 2 brothers. One of them, tabibun, ahaduma tabibun, wal akharu, and the other is an engineer. Right? Ahaduma is this, one of them is this, the other is this. This is what they use in together. If you're explaining about both of them, I have 2 brothers. One is a doctor, one is an engineer. Another is the engineer. Li hadil hafilati babani. For this bus, hafila is bus, right? Babani, there are 2 doors. Ahaduma lil-dukhuli wal akharu lil-khuruji. One is for entry and the other is for exit. Wal akharu lil-khuruji. Indi qalamani. I have 2 pens. Ahaduma azraqu wal akharu ahmaru. One of them is blue and the other is red. Ahaduma akhar. One of them, the other. عندي معجمان. I have 2 dictionaries. أحدهما إنجليزي والآخر فرنسي. I have 2 dictionaries. One of them is English and the other is French. لنا بيتان. We have 2 houses. أحدهما في المدينة. One of them is in the city. والآخر في القرية, and the other is the قرية. So آخر is another we learned in the previous lesson. Now he's teaching in combination, like one of them and another in the village. اشتريت قميصين أحدهما. I purchased 2 shirts. أحدهما لي. One of them is for me. والآخر لأخي الصغير. One and the other is for my small brother. Okay. أحدهما. Now feminine of أحدهما is إحداهما and آخر is أخرى. Right? We learned about أخرى. He's now teaching us إحداهما. Lana is for us, ladaina, we have. Indana, ladaina, lada means having. Lana is for us. I mean, we could have something, but it could not be for us. Right? Like, no, I don't think so. It can interchange. Like, yeah, it can be actually. Like house, we can say lana al baytu. We have, for us there's a house. Ladain al bayt, we have a house. Yeah, both are fine. Yeah, it can be, I think. Yeah. Inda also can also be used. Indana baytun. We can say all of these things. But lana for relatives we cannot. Like lana akhun wahidun. We have one brother. I cannot say ladaina akhun wahidun. No. Or indana I cannot. Right? Yeah. For relatives I have to use li. For relatives of body parts. Right? Li yadun wahidun. I have only one hand. Or li yadani. I have two hands. I cannot say ladayya. Ladayya yadani. I cannot say. Or indi yadani. Yeah. But for things generally we use inda or lada. Li lana is used for, but both are fine, I guess. Yeah, both are fine. He's teaching ihdahuma al-ukhra. Same thing, same sentences, but feminine. Li ukhtani. I have two sisters. Ihdahuma mudarrisat. I cannot say ahaduhuma now. Ahad is used only for masculine. Right? Ahad is used only for masculine. Ihdahuma mudarrisatun. One of them is a teacher. Wal ukhra mumarridatun. And the other is a nurse. Right? And the other is a nurse. One of them is a teacher and the other is a nurse. Next one. عندي سيارتان. I have two cars. إحداهما حمراء. One of them is red and the other is بيضاء. See, أحمر and أبيض did not come. Feminine colors, right? حمراء بيضاء. One of them is red, the other is white. White. One of them, meaning is the same, just, you have to change it to gender. في قريتنا مدرستان. In our village, there are two schools. إحداهما متوسطة والأخرى ثانوية. One is middle school and the other is secondary school. Next we have كتبت اليوم رسالتين. I wrote today 2 letters. Right? Just sentences is giving again. Right? إحداهما لأبي. One of them is for my father. والأخرى لصديقي. And the other is for my friend. Next, fifth one. I'm going a little fast. I think it's easy, right? It's not that difficult. Yeah? Nothing new here to talk about. Nah. There's nothing groundbreaking. Ja'at mudarrisatani jadidatani. Yeah? 2 new students came. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Ihdahuma, one of them is for Seerah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wal tafsir, and the other is for tafsir. These 4-5 lessons, I feel I went so fast, right? I mean, I'm just reading this because I don't know what to talk about. And muzakkar is ahad and muannas is ihda. Like previous lesson also, I felt I went so fast. The whole lesson will finish in one period. This also is finishing. Now ahad and ihda. Now alhamdulillah. Then we have studied the following. This is his teaching Zu with 2 things. Zu with 2 things, like هذا القلم ذو اللونين مفيد جدا. This pen which has 2 colors is very beneficial. We learned Zu, right, in lesson 3 or 4. Because now Zu can be attached to 2 things also. I mean, which has 2 doors or whatever. This pen has 2 which has 2 colors. Mufidun jiddan. Or having. Zu can be translated as we learned this. Zu, it becomes ani, becomes aini. Mudaf ilayhi, right? Zu الجلال والإكرام. هذا القلم ذو اللونين مفيد جدا. This pen which has 2 colors is very beneficial. مفيد جدا. أي, why is it أي? Because it was actually object, right? أي قميص غسلتي يا أمي. أي. It was actually غسلتي أي قميص, but أي does it has to come in the first. أي قميص غسلتي يا أمي. Which shirt did you wash, oh my mother? غسلت القميص ذا الجيبين. ذا الجيبين. جيبun is 1 pocket. جيبين is 2 pockets. Right? I washed the shirt which has 2 pockets. Yeah. So it has 2 pockets. Obviously. Next, third one. المدير في تلك الغرف ذات النافذتين المفتوحتين. The principal in that. Please explain again. Which one? This one. Which shirt did you wash, oh my mother? I wash the shirt which has 2 pockets. Double pocket shirt. Third one. Yeah, I'm coming to that now. Za. Oh, za. Okay. Za. Za because Zu becomes za, right? We learned, right? Mansub, it becomes with an alif. Like Abun, Aba, like Abu, Aba, Abi. This is also Asmaul Khamsa, right? The 5 nouns. Abun, Akhun, Hamun, Famun, Zu. So Mansub with alif, za. And Majrur with Z. ZTV. Okay. Nice. Like that. Za, Zu, Za, Z. So, Naam, yeah. Zu, Za, Z, yes. Like Abu, Aba, Abi, Akhu, Akha, Akhi, Famu, not Famu. Famu will become Fu, Fa, Fi. He'll teach that in book 3, Famun. We'll drop the meme, Famun, and Hamu, Hama, Hami. Kind of, yeah. Hamun is not used anyways. Fu, Fa, Fi means, Fu means his, mouth, Fuka. Iftah Faka, open your mouth. Faka. Mada fi fika. It's like confusing, right? What is in your mouth? Fika. Fika is your mouth. Al-mudiru fi tilka al-ghurfati. The principal in that room, zatin nafidataini, which has two open windows. Right? So the principal is in that room which has 2 open windows. The principal is in the 2 window room with the 2 open windows. Liman hadis sayaratu dhatul babaini. Whose is this car which has zatu? Right? Zu feminine is zatu. 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 We learn plural also. Zu is zahu and zatu is zabatu. Plural. Feminine zatu. Liman, whose is this car? Yeah, zatu zabatu. Zatul babaini, which has 2 doors. Dalik al masjidu. That masjid, dhul manarataini, which has 2 minars, jamilun jiddan, is very beautiful. Right? That masjid which has 2 minars is very beautiful. Ana la uhibbu dhaka ar-rajula. I don't love that man, or I don't like that man. فَإِنَّهُ because indeed he is ذُو وَجْهَيْنِ, because he has 2 faces. Right? And this is very bad. Yeah? This is a sign of hypocrisy. You go to a people and you please them, and then you go to someone else, you please them again. Right? This is not correct. ذُو وَجْهَيْنِ, to have 2 faces. Munafiq. New words, khalas, we are done. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll read the key of these 10 lessons from lesson 11 to 20. Inshallah. Revision, yeah? We'll just revise so that all the rules which came in these 10 lessons, we'll have a good grip on them, right? Inshallah. Then we can begin the last half of book 2, which is a little tough. Yeah, the key, inshallah, tomorrow. We're done, right? Rajulun dhu wajhaini alladhi yati kulla ta'ifatin bima yurdiha. Who is a man with 2 faces? Alladhi, who yati. Ata yati is to come. Right? This is also naqis. We'll learn in the future. Ata, anyways, is yati to come. LQ notes, we've already covered all of it, yeah? We just have to do weak verbs. There's nothing in LQ notes left. I finished all of it. This is just weak verbs which you have to go again, inshallah. When you're doing the weak verbs, you'll do it, yeah? Because in last half, it's all about weak verbs. Verbs. He'll bring a few lessons for Majzoom, right? Few lessons for Majzoom. Then the other lessons are all about weak verbs. He starts very early on. Let me just check what all is there. So, what is a man with two faces who comes to every group? Taifa is a group. Can you share the notes? Yeah, I'll share. Taifa is a group. Bima yurdiha. Radiya yarda is to please someone. So it comes to a group which pleases it. Yurdiha, which pleases the group. Right? So he comes to one face and then pleases them and goes to the other people and changes his tone. And politicians, yeah, typical politician. Mushtun amshatun. Mushtun, mamshatun. What is mushtun? Combs. Mikhaddatun, makhadun. Makhad is the plural. Makhaddu. Yes, radiyallahu. Yes, radiyallahu anhu. May Allah be pleased with him. Radiya, yarda. Then this is actually arda yurdi, I think, which pleases it. This is form 4. Okay, this is form 4 because it has a dhamma, right? Okay, form 4. Zirrun, radiya yarda, but this is arda yurdi, to please someone. Radiya is to be pleased himself, yeah. Zirrun, azrarun, buttons. Mir'atun, maraya. Plural of mirror is maraya. Typical, different plural. Hawaya. There are so many words like this. Maraya. Mirrors. Maraya. It's not mir'atun. No. Maraya is the plural. Lissun, lusus. Thief. Thieves. Junayhun, junayhatun. Pounds. Mufidun, beneficial. Sira. Sira is Asira is the sira. At-tafsir. Tafsir is tafsir. Dhabaha yasbahu is to slaughter. He brings numbers in 23, 24 in between. Then he brings kana in 25 and 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's all weak verbs. Ajwaf. Misal, he brings 26 lesson, 27 is ajwaf, 28 is naqis, 29 is double verbs, muda'af, 30 is dual verbs again, and yafalani, all those dual verbs. 31st is the last lesson. Okay. In between, he fills with numbers. So 21, he teaches majzoom with a sukoon, and then you're done. So we learned in this lesson. Li akhwani, dual. Riyalani, udiru riyalaini, ishtaraitu, qaratu kitabaini, raja'tu. All these things, yeah. I mean, mansub. And ahaduma akhar. I have two brothers. Feminine is ihdahuma al-ukhra. Zu wajhaini, hypocrite. Two-faced. Mushtun, comb, sira, prophet's biography. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Zirrun, button. Mir'atun, mirror. Lissun, thief. Mufidun, yusul. Miqaddatun, pillow. Tafsirun, commentary of the Quran. Zabah yasbah, slaughter. Sharaya Shaw to explain. Junayhan, pound. Monetary unit. And we are done. Alhamdulillah. Finally, yeah. Alhamdulillah. Right, inshallah. We are done with these 10 lessons. The next 10 is majzoom, numbers, and finish all numbers like 100, 1000. He'll bring all summary of the numbers. 1 and 2 we learned, then 3 to 10 we learned, then 11 to 99 we learned, then 100 and 1000. So how do you say 3,543? Right? He teaches that, okay, in the last book. Then he brings kana, which we already learned, right? Kana. It's like, Laisa is a sister of kana, but he brings kana and it becomes mansub. The khabar of kana is mansub. He teaches that. But we already have an idea of it, right? Like, because when I taught Laisa, I did tell you that it becomes mansub if B did not come. Kana. Like, it's opposite of inna. He teaches that in one lesson, and the rest are weak verbs. Inshallah. Okay, Jazakallah khair, inshallah. Tomorrow we'll start the key. It might take 1 or 2 classes to read all the rules, but inshallah, it'll take a time, inshallah. And then we'll be ready to finish the last 11 lessons. We have 11 in the last part. 11, right? Let me check. Yeah, this is the 5th book. Yeah, 11 lessons, yes. 11 lessons. All these lessons, they are quite, the first one is small. This PDF also, yeah, inshallah. Then he brings lan also. Oh, okay. Lan and lam, he explains it. Oh, just 1 page lesson. Lesson 12, 22 is 1 page lesson. Just revision lesson. This is numbers. He teaches numbers here. Yeah, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 100. All these numbers, yeah. All the numbers he brings in 1 page. Right? So 27, 28, 90, 100, all these things, like how do you say 6,543? So you start with the unit, Salasatun 3, Arba'una 40, Khamsumiyya is 500, then Sittatu Alafi. Riyal. Right? So the first one will be opposite in gender. Like Riyal is masculine, so you have to say Salasatun. So units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Like this you go. Right? This is how you say it in words, the numbers. And he teaches I've already gone all of it, right? The numbers, inshallah, but still we'll repeat it. Then lesson 5 is Kana. He teaches Kana. Very small lesson of Kana. Kana was introduced. We were introduced to Kana in book 3. It's inside. Book 3 means book 2, first book. Okay. Kana, Kana, Kana. Kunna, Kunta, Kuntuma, Ajwaf. Then here starts Misal. This is 26 to 31. All this Wada, Saghir, inshallah. This is Misal. Then we have Ajwaf. This is Ajwaf. Yeah, numbers are confusing. Yeah, we'll do it again. Don't worry. Yeah, inshallah. He has 2 lessons for numbers. Yeah. This is Ajwaf. It's called Mu'tal al-Ain or Ajwaf. Then we have Naqis lesson. Naqis is very tricky. We have 4 types of Naqis. We'll go through them, all of them again and again and again. Right? Inshallah. Tawa yatwi, ata yati, tabi'a yatba'u, maqa yaqa'u. This is difficult. Then we have Muda'af, double letter. Hajja, Yahujju, double. This is Muda'af lesson. And what is this? Aqsamul Fail. Oh, he showed us all the fail. One is Salim, Mahmuz, Muda'af, right? Double. Then Mu'tal al-Fa, that is Misal. Then Ajwaf, 3 types. Naqis, 4 types. And Lafif. Lafif is like very rare. There's Maqroon and Mafruq. I mean, 2 weak letters coming together are called Maqroon. Waw and Ya coming together, separate. Nothing much here. Then this is duals. Again, dual lesson, same like we did today. Dual lesson. And what is last lesson? I don't know what is last lesson. Oh, Naat Manut. Ah, great. He brings Naat Manut again. Just adjective, some lesson, small lesson he brings. And this will be done with book 2. Alhamdulillah. Right? So, inshallah. It might take. How do people take verbs? I don't understand the question. How do people take classes for different forms to those students who have just a basic? I didn't understand. Which forms of verbs? Online classes, yes, there are online classes. Form 2, 3, 4, 5. How do people learn, you mean? Oh, when we come to book 3, you learn, inshallah. Don't worry. It's there in book 3. Because we have not done book 3, that's why it seems difficult, but it's not difficult. Yeah, inshallah. Yeah. The things which you have not studied will look difficult. But once you get used to it, you'll get used to it. Right? He'll bring all these forms when, lesson 16 of book 3. Till that time, we'll have so much vocabulary, we'll have so many rules, and we'll become so used to it. Book 3 is another world. Okay? Don't worry. So, book 3 requires so much focus. It's difficult. Yes, book 3 is difficult. Hardly few people reach book 3 and finish it. Right? Book 3 is difficult. At least the first few lessons is difficult. Inshallah. And it's very long also. It's like book 1 plus book 2 plus some more. Book 1 is like just a pond. Book 2 is like maybe a swimming pool. I mean, swimming pool. Book 1 is a swimming pool. Book 2 is a pond. Book 3 is an ocean. Inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Yeah, we learn. Don't worry. Till that time, our level of understanding of Arabic, inshallah, will be greater. But after doing 15 lessons of book 3, that means half of book 3. That means almost 6 months later, because half of book 3 requires 6 to 7 months. Book 3 totally requires maybe almost a year to more than a year, 15 months. Yeah. It requires 70 classes. So we have 2 classes, so 35 weeks. 35 weeks. Yeah, we could do it less this time. Yeah, maybe 8 to 9 months, 10 months, because the book 3 Urdu batch, I have only one class, so it's extended so long. Maybe inshallah, I don't know. Let's see, inshallah. A year is required, yeah, inshallah. So 2 years is for learning this language, yeah, 2 years. Not 2 years, more than two actually, 2.5 years, 2.5 to 3 years. Like a degree we are doing. But only 2 classes a week, so not much, inshallah. Okay, Jazakallah khair, Barakallahu feekum. Inshallah, we'll, we'll, we'll read the key tomorrow, and yeah, right, inshallah, so that we have all the rules together in one place, and that's our goal, inshallah, tomorrow. How much ever is possible, maybe 5 lessons, 6 lessons, because I don't know what rules we learned. All those rules, we'll read them again and try to understand them, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الرحمن